Hey everyone, today we're going to be going through 20 websites that pay you daily. And the best part about all of these jobs that I'm going to be going through are they are all work-at-home jobs that you can do in the comfort of your own home. So let's not waste any time and let's just jump straight into the video. The first website I'm going to be talking about is Digistore24. Now, in order to make money with Digistore, you're going to make an account through their website, and then you will select on their affiliate marketing program. And through this affiliate program, there will be a list of products that you can scroll through and you can choose your own product. And what you're going to do with these products is you are going to promote them. A little tip for finding products through Digistore24 is I would suggest to select the products that pay out around $200 to $500 per sale that you make. So once you find this product that you are happy to promote yourself, you will click the Promote Now button, and then you will get this magical link. And with this link, you get to simply put it anywhere you please. Also, if you go to their affiliate support page, you will find different assets and resources. And this will range anywhere from different advertisements or webinars that you can use. But when it comes to promoting your affiliate link, I would say the best place to do this is YouTube. And you can have a YouTube channel without having to show your face, which is great if you don't want to sit in front of a camera and show your face. Or if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can even use your Instagram or a blog or your TikTok account, and you will put this link in your posts and videos and pictures or even your bios. And then when you promote these products and people buy something through your link, you will get money. You can even take your link and share it with your family and friends if you think it's something that they would want to purchase for themselves. I also would recommend promoting products that you genuinely think are going to do well, because at the end of the day, you do want people to be buying this product, as this is what is bringing you money. My brother has a YouTube channel and runs several businesses. He even has a course on Digistore24 that you can get an affiliate link for. His course is called the Tube Mastery and Monetization Program. If you're interested in his channel's Make Money Matt. The next website that you can make money on is Revcom. Revcom is a website that will pay you to transcribe things. Now, what transcribing is basically putting a video into words. So this could be somewhere from making subtitles to writing out scripts from videos. And there are 3 options on Revcom that you can actually be making this money. So the first option, which is what I just said, is that you can transcribe videos. And what you simply do is just write down what you hear. And then the second option is creating captions for videos and subtitles. And I would like to note that captioning is an option that does make more money than the other ones usually. And then the third option for making money on Revcom is by subtitling videos in a different language, such as translating things from English to Spanish. So if you're skilled in that area, that would be something to consider. There are so many companies that will pay thousands of dollars for you to just simply caption or subtitle their videos. The next website is called Upwork.com. I know for a fact that my brother within his YouTube channels, he uses Upwork.com. And this is what happens when you just simply run a bunch of YouTube channels. You can't do all of the work yourself, so you can hire other people to do it. And you can find these people through a place called Upwork.com. So on Upwork, you can hire people from doing things such as writing scripts, creating voiceovers, and even editing the videos. A lot of YouTube channels will even hire people on Upwork for long periods of time, so you could partner up with somebody this way. But if you just have any skill in general, you can promote it through Upwork.com and people will hire you through here. And you get paid at either an hourly rate or just get offered a project rate, just a standard amount of money, or a project rate. The next website we're going to talk about is DoorDash. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of DoorDash, as many of you might even using DoorDash. So with DoorDash, you can pick up people's foods from restaurants and deliver it to them. But you probably would need a car for this, unless you're in a place that you're able to bike around doing this. But on DoorDash, you will earn a base amount for every order that you do. And then you also get a tip added on from the customer that is buying the food. So what you can do is you can just check if DoorDash is available and a thing where you live. If you live somewhere like the United States or Canada, you can get paid daily for working for DoorDash. But if you do not live in the United States, Uber Eats is another app which is essentially the same idea and concept, and you can make money here. All right, and then the next website that you can make money through is Rover.com. Rover.com is a great option if you love animals, especially dogs. People will hire you through Rover.com to either walk their dogs, check in on them, or feed them, and just take care of their dogs. Sometimes they hire you to even just stop in and play with them. I was looking at how much people typically make through this, and I've seen people make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in 1 month, simply by just taking care of dogs and playing with them and walking them. Doesn't sound like a bad option to me. All right, now the next website is called Foap. Foap is a website, but also a mobile app that you can download, and you can make some extra cash here by selling photos and videos. So if you upload these photos and a company wants to buy them, then you will get 50% of the money that they are willing to pay for these photos. So if you sell a photo for $10, you will receive $5. And then they also have this thing called following a mission. Essentially, a company will pay you to take specific photos or videos. So these can be just like any type of stock photos, even just like nature photos or business photos. But these companies will use these photos that you take in their either marketing or even magazines or billboards or anywhere they just need to use this for their businesses. And companies do this because they would rather pay somebody for cheaper than hiring a whole photographer. And it can also get expensive for buying stock photos, so they find this as a cheaper way to do so. The next website is Lime Scooters. You may have noticed scooters placed around these cities that people can utilize to get from point A to point B. Well, you can make money from charging these scooters. I've always wondered myself when I see these scooters, how are these scooters getting charged? Well, I have found out how, and I will share it with you. So Lime, the company, will pay you to go around and charge their scooters. And they pay anywhere from $20 an hour to $30 an hour. So for this one, you do have to have a vehicle to load the scooters into, and then you just simply go around and charge these. And Lime Scooters is available in different countries, but you can check their location map to see if they're available where you live. All right, the next website we're going to be talking about is called Scribey. Now through Scribey, you can make money by just typing. So a lot of different companies and YouTubers will hire people to transcribe their content. So you just listen to what is being said and type it out. And this is called being a transcriptionist. So Scribey is looking for people to transcribe videos and to be freelancers. They can pay you anywhere from $5 to $20 an hour to transcribe, and Scribey will actually provide you with an automated transcript, and this makes sure that everything just lines up well. So what you can do here is even just correcting the transcript that is already made, because most of the time these companies want to make sure that their subtitles, for example, are double checked by real humans and not just AI. If you're working doing beginner content, and let's say you work 7 daily hours, you will get around $700 in just 1 month. And if you are doing intermediate and advanced, then the salary goes higher. But I would make sure that you are solid in English before pursuing this, as you want to be providing your best work that you can. And then before even picking up projects through Scribey, you can preview them to make sure that it is something you would like to do. The next website is called Gumroad. And what Gumroad is you can sell courses through it. But you can also use Gumroad to sell other types of products such as ebooks, guides, etc. And with digital products, you don't have to pay a ton of money to sell them. So you will be making more money than spending and making just almost a pure profit. The next website I have is called voices.com. So the good news with this one is we all have a voice, so we should be able to use this. So voices.com will actually hire you to record voiceovers. And depending on what projects you pick up, the amount of money that you are being paid will be varied. So this can mean doing different work for a YouTube channel, different courses, and even commercials. So they simply just give you this script, and then you take the script and record it. Many people have even taken this skill and made it a full-time job. If you are going to do this, a good microphone that you can get to start out is called the Blue Yeti Nano. And then a little tip here is you can record some simple voiceovers to start so you can get a base of some good reviews to start your profile and build your portfolio. The next website is called care.com. So on care.com, people will hire you to either do work such as taking care of pets, taking care of kids, taking care of their houses, things like that. This can be good if you want to work locally and help some other people out. So you can sort your options on care.com by location and see what jobs are hiring around you. So on your profile, you want to make sure to list your skills so people will hire you. And besides you just applying to jobs, these people can actually invite you to a job as well. The next website is called clarity.fm. On Clarity FM, you can make money by just doing phone calls with people. If you have special knowledge in one area or just simply know how to talk, and on these phone calls you just answer people's different questions and they will pay you by the minute. So with people on clarity.fm, they can be seeking anywhere from relationship advice to marketing advice and even different types of business advice. So you could just pick a specific skill and showcase that, and then people can call you and ask you questions about it, such as if you have a lot of knowledge about YouTube, you can charge by the minute to do so. The next website is called usertesting.com. So with usertesting.com, it sounds a lot like its title. It is user testing. And what this means is the website will pay you to test different websites and give feedback. So you can be using your Windows computer and a Mac computer, an iPhone or an Android, and you will be testing different apps and websites. And before you pick up a job, they will actually tell you how much money you're going to make before you choose a job, which is nice. The next website is called Fiverr.com. Now, if you have a specific skill such as editing videos or editing pictures, or just really any skill, people will hire you to do this skill on Fiverr. So for example, you can do photo design and create different photos or edits. Now, if this is something you're interested in, I suggest you using Canva, Snappa, or PaintNet, and these are all free softwares that you can use to edit photos. Or you can even do video editing or video voiceovers and even website designs, and really the list is just endless here on things that people will hire you on Fiverr to do. And then I suggest when you're setting up your Fiverr profile that you list some examples of your work so you can really showcase your work, so this will get people to want to hire you. The next website is called gigwalk.com. And Gigwalk can be in website format or an app format on your phone. And on Gigwalk, you can get paid to complete small gigs. So some examples of these gigs would be companies asking you to make sure their stock is up to date and up to count, or making sure that different events for companies are done on time. And all of these jobs on Gigwalk are going to be done locally. So you can potentially even discover some new places and businesses within your area by getting gigs through Gigwalk. And with these gigs, they can take anywhere from 5 minutes to even a few hours. And then the pay for this is going to range anywhere from $3 to over $100. The next website is called Instacart, and this is almost similar to DoorDash, as I talked about earlier, where people will hire you to deliver things such as their groceries. So instead of delivering food from restaurants, you will be hired to deliver food from grocery stores. All right, guys, we're almost there. We're on our 18th website, which is going to be thumbtack.com. You can hire people on Thumbtack from doing a variety of different things, such as mowing somebody's lawn, doing different yard work, giving your car an oil change. The list with this one is also kind of endless, as there's so many different skills that you can have and showcase on Thumbtack, and take care of for other people. So if you have just any type of skill, you can showcase it on Thumbtack and people will hire you for it. Now, the next one I found kind of funny, but I found a website called rentafriend.com. Yeah, you heard that right, rentafriend.com. But believe it or not, people will actually hire you to be their friend. But people will pay you to hang out with them or even show them a new area. And people will pay anywhere from $10 an hour to $100 an hour on this app. Now, I don't know if we should consider this one as seriously as the other ones that I was talking about, because I don't want anything bad to happen to anybody. This one, I just found this one kind of funny, to be honest. So with that being said, stay safe with any of these jobs that I've been talking about, because doing anything in the public eye can, I don't know, be dangerous, I guess. Okay, but let's talk about something that we can do from the safety of our own homes, which is YouTube, my favorite. So with these jobs that I've been mentioning earlier, a lot of them you are trading your time for money. But this is where YouTube is different. You can create content on YouTube just once and then continuously make money. Of course, a few of the other websites that I talked about earlier can also do this, but YouTube is personally my favorite, and I believe you can make the most on YouTube. I found it interesting that my brother with his YouTube channels actually told me that he is still making money off of videos that he uploaded like 8 years ago. With all of my videos, I do talk about YouTube highly, and there are a lot of different courses that you can even find on YouTube, including my brother's channel called Make Money Matt, and he goes through a bunch of tips on how to make a YouTube channel as well over there. But those are all the websites that I'm going to be going through today. Now, if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without actually making videos, make sure to click on this free training course where it will go over 4 tips on exactly how to do so. See you there.